My name's Craig Sale. I'm Professor of Human Physiology and Nutrition, and most of my work sits at that intersection between physiology and nutrition. And really, I suppose more specifically, I'm interested in the effects of exercise and diet and how that relates to adaptations, particularly in muscle and bone. The Physiological Society has a long tradition of supporting nutrition-related research. And you can see that through a number of the different meetings that it runs each year. The Journal of Nutritional Physiology is a natural extension of these activities. So the Journal of Nutritional Physiology is a new journal from the Physiological Society. The first thing that excites me most about this new journal is that it operates at that intersection between physiology and nutrition. That ability to be able to determine new directions for research in the areas of nutritional physiology and to demonstrate and disseminate the findings from research, a wide range of research, to the public and the wider scientific community. So a number of sort of new and developing areas in the area of nutritional physiology. This idea of personalized nutrition, so things like nutrigenomics, nutrigenetics, metabolomics and epigenetics. And then I think there are also things around how the gut, in particular, organisms, microorganisms in the gut influence human health, and novel protein sources, plant-based proteins, and how they interact with human physiology and health. And indeed then more sustainable foods and sustainable agriculture in determining that and how that changes the food types that we eat. It's also interesting how that interacts with our human physiology, our health, and indeed how all of that bridges that gap into climate change and global health. Authors should publish in the Journal of Nutritional Physiology first and foremost because it is a journal at that intersection between physiology and nutrition. So, we would hope to make it a go-to journal for individuals working in that area to publish their best work. It's free for authors to submit and publish their work up until 2027. The whole peer review process is supported by the Physiological Society's in-house staff, so you get a better and more personalised experience throughout the whole submission and indeed publication process for your article. So I think it's important for the nutrition community to support not only the Journal of Nutritional Physiology, but the other family of journals that's published by the Physiological Society, because it's a non-profit organisation and therefore the publication costs and charges that an author pays and any profit therefore that the Physiological Society makes gets reinvested back into the nutrition community, the wider physiological community, and of course the journals themselves.